This year we are making a watermelon ladybug. I thought we all needed a little good luck this year. Ladybug, yes. I thought that would be very fun. So as always, we start with a seedless watermelon. I give it a nice wash with some vinegar water. And then we like to start by cutting any round fruit or vegetable. We like to give it a little foot. So where it kind of starts to roll, I just like to cut a little base off. And then you've got your nice, sturdy watermelon to work with. I like to find the little, where the stem grew, and that's gonna be the little ladybug nose. And then I'm gonna cut, this is kind of like the cut we make for a lot of these watermelon baskets. We cut half down, and then we cut all the way around. And we take, and we pop the top off.
Okay.
And
boy, she's fast at this.
I've carved a few watermelons in my day.
All right.
So then at this point is when we take the watermelon baller, we make some balls for the fruit salad, and then I like to scoop some of this out so it's not too fussy, and I like to put it in the blender, and then I like to strain it, and then I like to make watermelon cocktails. So that's what I like to do with the blender. All right, so I've got it all scooped out over here. Let's get to station number 2.
Station number 2.
So I've scooped this all out. I've balled it all out. And so now...
balled it all out.
So now we're going to take our melon ballers and we're going to make little eyes. So right above the nose, we're just going to carve in 2 eyes. So stick it in there and give it a nice little turn.
Which size? The big
whatever size you want.
ones?
Yeah, big eyes, little eyes. Whatever kind of eyes you'd like. So then I like to just kind of flip these around, and then they're like little slimy little buggy eyes, right? Isn't that kind of cute?
I know.
We're gonna make some wings. So we're gonna take this top half and we're just gonna cut it right in half.
Okay.
And then we're gonna cut off 2 strips of the top, and that we're gonna use for antenna and legs a little bit later. So these are our little wings, and then we are gonna get to my absolute favorite part. What's the most distinguished part of a ladybug? Are its little spots, right?
The dots.
Right. So we're gonna give them little dots.
Oh, you're cutting more stuff.
I'm just cutting 4 little pieces. I've got some cut down there for us. We can make little eyes and antenna. So now we're gonna take our melon baller again. It's funny, we were looking for these in the kitchen. It's like the most important day of the year for the melon baller.
Okay.
It's its day.
It's your time to shine.
So then you just, same way we did the eyes, you're just gonna dig into the side of here. So we're gonna just stick a little toothpick down here and give it a little beady little mouth.
Oh, God, I broke the toothpick. I suck at watermelon.
We've got some good ones down here. Let's go to our last spot, and we're gonna get these things looking larger than life.
Okay.
So now we're gonna build a little antenna, as ladybugs have. So we're gonna I took one of those strips and I cut it in half, and so we've got 8 pieces of this little watermelon rind.
Stick a toothpick in it?
Stick a toothpick in it, and then we are going to attach it to his head.
Her head, it's a ladybug, not a boy bug.
We're gonna stick on some little antennae. And then we're gonna we're gonna split the toothpick for this one. And then we're just gonna stick one of these other little spots to be its little end of the antenna.
What?
Like that.
What?
It's a little end of the antenna.
Okay.
Stick it in like that.
Okay.
Okay, how you doing?
I'm trying.
You're doing a good job.
I think I have the remedial ladybug.
I think he's adorable. Okay, so now we're gonna fill him with
I'm supposed to put it this side?
Put that on the end, yep. So he's got a little, I think that looks great.
Okay, I'm trying.
So then we're gonna fill him up with some fruit salad. So I've got lots of watermelon balls in here.
Okay.
You got some fruit salad right underneath there.
Okay. All right.
And then this makes the perfect
Fruit
little
salad.
centerpiece for your 4th of July party all summer long.
Gotcha.
And then we're gonna take 2 toothpicks just so they stay secure. Put them on the sides.
2 toothpicks.
Yep. And then we're gonna stick out his
Just
little...
one on each side.
Yeah, one on each side. And then we're just gonna place his little wings. And the toothpick keeps them in place. And now this is my, there you go. Look how great it came out. And then this is my absolute favorite part because the spots are black, so we're gonna use blackberries. And we're just gonna pop the little blackberries in the little holes. And those are his little spots.
Wow.
I think he's like, yeah, I made one for us. But I think the rest look great.